Earlier, Bailancho Saad had lodged a complaint with the Human Rights Commission stating that a lot of people are aggrieved, they are traumatized, they are upset when they see their loved ones, the women in their family. As it is a shock that they have passed away, and add to that publicly in front of men, because mostly in the crematorium it is predominantly the male people who attend the cremation ceremony. So in front of them the clothes have been removed, and most of them are very upset when they see that their clothes are removed in front of all the men. Complaints had come to the organization. So Bailancho Saad had met a spectrum of people. We went and met the religious authorities, the Swami, the Panchayat people. We went and met Director of Social Welfare, Women and Child, all the government authorities who are responsible for upholding the rights of women. The Human Rights Commission has upheld that disrobing of deceased women before cremation is a violation of the dignity of women, and therefore violation of human rights. The Human Rights Commission has recommended to the authorities to take appropriate action to stop disrobing of women before cremation.